I found this 7-ingredient orange creamsicle pie recipe on Smart Schoolhouse. And I've been wondering, will it be better than the 3-ingredient hack that we all know? I'm going to try it out and see if 4 extra ingredients in this recipe are really worth it. Hi everyone, I'm Pika, and welcome back to Baker Affair. Let's get started. Okay, to start off with, the recipe calls for 3 cups of bread, shortbread cookies and butter to make the crust. And I'm skipping that part, and I'm just going to use a store-bought pie crust. The next part is I'm going to blend. It says use my food processor, but I'm not going to. I'm too tired to get the food processor. I'm going to try and use this to puree oranges, orange zest, orange juice, and vanilla. I'm going to try to do it in here. We'll see. Okay, I think that's pretty pureed. So the next step is make the filling base in a mix with the mixer. So I'm going to do that, which is cream cheese and orange jello mix. Okay, so I have the cream cheese in a bowl, and I'm going to be adding the jello packet, orange jello, regular, and then I'm just going to mix it up. Okay, so now that I have that beaten, I'm going to add the whipped cream and sweetened condensed milk, which sounds like it's going to be super sweet, but I don't know. It says to fold it in. Which doesn't seem to be working. And then I'm supposed to take the orange mixture and stick it in here and then beat it. So, and I'm going to actually strain it because I don't. No, I'm not. I'm just going to stick it in. It's pretty, yeah. And then I'm supposed to add this to the pie crust. It looks awfully watery, but I'm going to trust the process. So I am going to trust it. It looks way too much too. Ugh, making a mess. Anyway. Okay, so I put it in the pie shell, but look how much I still have left. It's like a lot. This is when reading comes in handy. It does say a deep dish pie dish, and I didn't get a deep dish, so I just got a regular, and that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go stick this in the refrigerator a few hours, or stick it in the freezer, and it's supposed to be delicious. I'll see you back then. Okay, so let's try it. I had mine in the freezer. Let's see it. That's good. So, was it really worth the extra 7 ingredients? I think it was. It was good. I would do it again. It was very delicious. I'm going to leave their link below. Thank you for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like. And until next Wednesday, ciao.